If CapCut is giving you the no internet connection error on desktop, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes that actually work. This is a super common problem, and even if your Wi-Fi is fine, CapCut can still get stuck because of a blocked IP address, a bad app setting, a cache issue, or a firewall problem. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get CapCut working again without wasting time guessing. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tips. Alright, let's get straight into it. The first and most common fix is to use a VPN. In many cases, CapCut is not really detecting a real internet failure. Instead, your IP address may be slow, restricted, or temporarily blocked for some reason. A VPN can help by giving you a fresh connection route. So open a trusted VPN like Proton VPN, connect to a server in the United States or any stable location you want to try, and then completely restart CapCut. Don't just switch the VPN on and leave the app open. Close CapCut fully, reopen it, and check if the error is gone. For a lot of users, this simple step fixes the issue right away. If that does not work, the next thing to do is change a few CapCut app settings. Start by opening CapCut, then go to Settings, then General, then Language. Switch the language to a different one, save the change, and then switch it back to your original language. This may sound unusual, but it can refresh the app's internal configuration and clear out a bug that is causing the connection problem. After that, go to the Performance section and turn off hardware acceleration. Once you disable it, restart CapCut again. Hardware acceleration can sometimes conflict with network behavior or cause the app to glitch on startup, so turning it off is a smart troubleshooting step. Next, go back into Settings and find Cache. From there, delete all temporary files. Just make sure you first exit the project and return to the homepage, because you usually cannot clear everything properly while the project is still open. Clearing the cache removes corrupted temporary data that may be making CapCut think it has no connection. After that, open the app again and test it. If you are still seeing the error, the next step is to fix your firewall and network permissions. On Windows or Mac, CapCut may be blocked by your system firewall without you realizing it. Open your firewall settings and make sure CapCut is allowed through. Add it to the whitelist or trusted apps list so it has permission to communicate online. Sometimes security software or network protection tools block CapCut, even when your browser and other apps work perfectly fine. Once CapCut is allowed access, restart your computer and launch the app again. That alone can solve the problem for many desktop users. And if none of those fixes work, here is the final alternative that can save you a lot of time. Use the CapCut Web version in your browser. The web editor often bypasses desktop software bugs completely, so if the desktop app refuses to connect, the browser version may work without any issues. This is especially useful if you need to keep editing right away and cannot afford to wait. So to quickly recap, try a VPN first, change the language and performance settings, clear the cache, allow CapCut through your firewall, and if needed, switch to the web editor. One of those fixes usually gets rid of the no internet connection error. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more CapCut troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.